guys, I've got an opportunity to open a box of Amer Fine and show you how to treat nail fungi. So if you have fungi inside your nail, what happens is it's going to keep spreading and affecting your clean, healthy nail. So this antifungal will actually freeze or stop it from growing any further. It can't actually go in and take it out of the nail, because once it's infected in the nail, it will be stuck in the tissue. But this treatment will stop it in its track and will treat it and allow the clean nail to grow out, then you can cut it off. So I'm actually demonstrating to someone, and so we have a chance just to quickly show you as well. So this is how you do it, and this is what you'll get inside. You get cleaning pads and filing nail, and you'll also get this little medicated tincture here. It comes with a fine little plastic that you just dab onto the nail. I'll keep you out of the picture, but if you want I can put one application on for you. So go have a seat down on the couch. And I think this is the best way for people if you are really busy and you don't get a chance to see how it's done in a pharmacy. You can watch this video as well. And I just wanted to also say that with nail fungi, it's a really long process, so it's not going to be something that's going to be able to get treated in a week or 2 weeks. It takes 6 to 10 months for these things to work, because your toenails grow a lot slower than first your fingernails, and secondly it depends like how far down you've gone. If you've gone like halfway down, that's already 6 months. If you go further, that could be 10 months. So this treatment that you use once or twice a week is going to be able to help your healthy nail grow out. So you can see here that the toenail has been infected, and then there's a bit of discoloration. Luckily here, no nail is actually pushing up, so it hasn't thickened as well, so that's a lot easier to treat. This one will probably take 10 to 12 months because it is the full length, and now we have to wait for this clean nail from this back part to move all the way forward. So I'm going to quickly just show you how it's done. And first you have, let's get out all my bits and pieces, the cleaning file. Get your filing. Well, so it's a very simple process. You take this nailing file here and you file just to penetrate and break the surface of the toenail, so allowing the medication to penetrate in. So I would actually give it a good go at it. Like, don't just scratch it a tiny bit. I really go into it. And you want to, okay? Then that's actually allowed the top layer of the nail to come off, and then you get a cleaning alcohol pad and you wipe it all off. There we go. And this one here, this is where your medication is inside. Crack it open. You only get 5 mils, but you only need a tiny little bit dropped every time. This is your stick to apply it onto it. See, that's all you need. And you just do this. I would do it twice a week for the first month till I can see really healthy nail growing up. Then after that I would just do it once a week for the rest of the time that you have the infected nail. And you have to twist this really tight. I have heard of people saying that this dries out if you don't twist it really tight as well. And you just let it dry for about a minute, and that's your full application. And then now that I've got a picture of this on video, we should be able to see in 6 to 12 months time that clean nail is growing out. Nothing else there. You can actually keep this stick, there's nothing dirty about that. Same thing with nail file, I'll just use other sides to it, or you can throw it away if you wanted to. But you get all these applications, only 30 sticks, and you're going to use it for a few months. So I'll just keep that and use the other side. And keep that in there as well. So that there is how you use this nail file. You can get it in your toes, you can get it in your fingers, anyway. You can't use cream to treat nail fungi. You actually have to use Amer Fine because that will penetrate the toenail.